Now that we've created our workspace, let me show you just a quick overview of what's on the screen. First of all, notice up at the top on the address bar, this is the actual web address that I would email to someone or would share to someone. Perhaps I would put it in the signature of my email so people can find it quickly and easily. And as we move down, we can go to 3 different tabs here. The first one is My PB Works. And you can see this just kind of gives you an option to kind of go in and look at your home area, which shows you the workspaces that you've created. In this case, I've only created one. My profile and my email. And there's my profile. You notice I haven't put a lot in there at this point in time. And then email. If I wanted to change my email or anything along that lines, I certainly can do that as well. So let me click my back button. If I click on the link right here to my workspace, it takes me to my workspace again, and I'm back to where we started. Workspaces, and it's showing me the only workspace that I have here right now, and kind of the same thing here, teaching for teaching tech for BOCES. Then we have a series of tabs here that we want to take a look at. The actual wiki page is right here. That's the one we're looking at. You'll notice it's called the front page. And this is the actual web page, what it looks like. And you'll notice that there's information already in there. This information is provided as guidance for you. There's a PB Works manual and a 30-second training video to help you know how to edit and add video. What I'm going to do right now is just kind of come in and highlight this. Now you'll notice I can highlight it and copy and paste it somewhere, but I'm in view mode right now. See view right here? If I want to edit it, I simply click edit. Now look here. That information is there. I can come in and I can delete it. And then all across the top of the edit area are all of my different tools. You'll notice that if I do a mouse over, I'll get a pop-up which explains what that tool is. So for instance, if I say welcome and I highlight it, I can bold it, underline, italic it. I can change it to a large heading. I can change the font and the size of the font, the color of the font. Again, I should have it highlighted first. So in that regard, it works very much like Microsoft Word or any Word editor. And so here are all your tools. We'll get into those at another point in time. Across the top, pages and files. Whoops. That's a teachable moment. When I click another tab, it'll say, hey, do you want me to navigate away from this page? No, I don't. I want to make sure I save this. By the way, your save options are here at the bottom. We'll click save, and then it takes me back to view mode. This is what my web page looks like now. Now I will show you pages and files, and you will see there's a whole bunch of pages that are already created. They create that for you, so you can use them as templates. The only one really that's been created by me is the front page. You'll notice over here it lists who created them. I tend to kind of go through here and delete everything but the sidebar. So that's all set. Then I can go to users. You'll notice the only user is me. That's probably how most of your students will be accessing it. And then lastly, we can click on settings, and we have a variety of settings in here. I will do a separate video dealing with the security settings of using PB Works.